So here's a look at the finished paint job. We still got to put our little tower with the winch and stuff on it, but I'm gonna wait to get the boat on there to see where it's gonna land at. So it's looking pretty good. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to wrap some electrical tape around this. And we'll just pull it back through. And there we go. Like that. Alright, I got myself a screwdriver. Square that up. Alright. Alright, so now we're finally done with that. Took a lot longer than I thought it would take. We're going to go ahead and string it along the frame here, keeping in mind that we need a little bit of slack up here for the side running light. Alright, so if you see these little clips here, I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in the clip. Just goes on in there and then you push down on it. And now that's there. It's not going anywhere. So we're going to run a little loop up here. And then there's little spots in the frame. Where we can come through right there. Alright guys, we got everything wired up, and I don't know what the issue is with these LED lights, but they don't work. I checked to make sure I was getting power down through here by running a light onto it, and I took these off the old trailer, so we're just going to hook these up real quick. And I'll show you that those are working. And there you can see that side light is working, back light is working, underneath light is working, and nothing is working on this. Alright guys, we're back. Made a lot of progress on this. We've got everything hooked up, got the chains on. We've got the bunk holders up. They're on. They're gonna have to be adjusted, I'm sure. Paint's done. We got the lights fixed. They're working now. We got one roller on. I'm gonna wait until we start loading the boat up to see where the other roller is gonna be at. The only thing left we're gonna do is we're gonna put these bunks on. So I got a 12-foot piece of treated 2x, and I was just going to wrap them in carpet, and I remembered that I had these pieces of composite decking from, I think it was Menards. I was thinking about putting them this way. These are like 2 foot a piece. Putting them this way so there's less friction. So this composite's gonna go on here. We cut 2 foot off of the 12 foot 2x. And I think we might actually cut a little bit more off. It depends on how well they keep their shape. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut like a 45-degree angle halfway through this, so if water gets in these little channels, it has somewhere to drain off a little easier, and when you're pulling the boat on, it won't catch on the edges here. Alright guys, there you have it. Bunk boards are on. I'll try and update you to see how well these things last. But trailer should be finished. Ready to get that boat on there. I know I'm probably gonna have to lower these down quite a bit. So yeah. Taking a 1977 Shoreland'r from Rust Bucket to this. Feel pretty good about it. Thanks for tuning in. Check in later and we'll have more videos up. Alright guys, that does it. I'm Brian from Do It Yourself Workshop signing off. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button. If you would like to help support the channel, check us out on Patreon. I left links below for that. But yeah, 1977 Shoreland'r trailer. Stay tuned. We're gonna get the boat here sometime soon. It's starting to get a little cold out here in Illinois, so we'll get that boat. We gotta redo the transom, fix some of the rivets, seal it up. We might paint it, I'm not sure, but stay tuned and we'll get back to you. All right, thanks guys.